what it sounds like. Right now we got it shut and we're idling. Let's open this joker up. $50 eBay electric cutout. Come on. Woo! Sounds like it's supposed to. Now let's kind of go back to a little mild exhaust. Got a little quieter. I mean, things working like a champ, guys. I don't know what else to say. Badass for 50 bucks. What's up, Mopar fans? So today's video, we're going to do a 30-day review on the $50 eBay exhaust cutout that we put on Frostbite. So after a month, thing is still working like a charm, guys. Works every time. It hasn't let me down yet. And I'm having a ton of fun with it, guys. Check it out. I mean, that is bad to the bone for $50, guys. I'm highly impressed with it. I mean, if you watched the first video with the install, you did see I ran into that minor issue with it wanting to open up all the way. But after we had that fixed, I mean, it's been no issues, guys. This thing works every time I hit the button, and it works every time I hit the button to close it. And still got no leaks on it. It's sealed up really tight still. And I mean, it works. That's all I can say about it, guys. Still works. So, you know, I'm going to do we'll do another review after another 30 days on it. And then we'll do another one after 90 days. So I figure for 50 bucks, if it makes it to the 90-day review, it's well worth the money in my book. So I don't know what else you could ask for it for 50 bucks. So we'll definitely see if we can get 2 more reviews out of it. So yeah, as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Nitrous.